Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is a long-awaited Airbnb tour. So I'm in an Airbnb until October 3rd. Enjoy the little tour. So behind the door you have these hooks, and as you can tell, I've really made myself comfortable here. I put my grocery bag here, my bag that I'll use for classes, to go to class. I bought a few things that will be good for my permanent apartment. So they have these really cute mirrors here. This one's more my height. Here, 2 masks and some grocery bags. So let's walk into the kitchen. This is the refrigerator. Since there's not really a pantry, this is where I keep like all the things that I don't need to refrigerate. And yes, I'm sure some of you are like, oh, you don't refrigerate your butter. I don't. This is the stove. It's a little dirty. They don't really have a lot of cleaning supplies for me to use, so I've made a bit of a mess. The sink, which is pretty big. These are drying, and I have an orange as a snack. And here, I'll open this up. Ooh, it's right on the street. So, and it's right by a parking garage. We have this wall that's decorated with a lot of fun little mementos, things from all over the world, it seems. And so down here we have this nice modern chair, these 2 tables, and this nice sofa with a blanket, which the sofa is really comfortable and perfect. You can perfectly view the TV. And now we're gonna head down these really fun stairs. And here is the bedroom. So the bed is really comfy, and I absolutely love this wall. It's a lot of math that I cannot do, but I think it's really fun. And since this is in the basement, you have these windows that can open just slightly. Corner is where I'm keeping my suitcases because I will be leaving soon. And I've been keeping some big bags so that it's easier for me to move all of my things. Bedside table with some postcards I need to write and send out. Here we have the closets. So I did unpack because I am here for 2 weeks. So we have all of my clothes, and it fits my shoes perfectly because I only brought 5 pair, so that was really nice. And we have my jackets to the left, some empty hangers that might be filled by the time I leave. We'll see if I go shopping again. And I also have some shirts that I want to have hung up. To the left of the closet you have this door, which is where the bathroom is. So you just open this knob and you push it over. And here's the bathroom. Very straightforward. And I've just been keeping some of like my toiletries here because in a minute you'll see there's not too much space in the bathroom to keep these items. You have some fun art and this head, which is super, super, super creepy. This side of the table, I just have my medicine, my Polaroid, and my agenda. So now we're gonna enter the bathroom. So short, you can't even see. So like I said, there's not too much space down here, and they already have some cleaning things. And then up here, obviously there's not too much sink space, so just stuff for my toothpaste, retainers, things like that, and obviously my hairbrush. I really like this. I put some things, they gave me an extra towel, and I have my towel, my hair wet twisty thing, and a makeup remover wipe. Now for my favorite part of this entire apartment is the shower. You have a nice bench here, and I put all of my showering things I need over there. And then look at this beautiful shower head, because it feels so good on your head and so good on your back. It is just amazing, and it's so big, way too big for me, but it's very nice. So I came back upstairs for my outro, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this apartment Airbnb room tour. And if you're not already, please subscribe, like, etc. And thank you so much for watching.